The Define the Grid Options command allows you to set up a grid to help you draw. Selecting the command displays a dialog box. The X spacing sets the horizontal distance between grid points, and the Y spacing sets the vertical distance between grid points. Grid points are displayed as small dots on the screen. The X and Y reference grids are the number of grid points between small plus signs that act as reference points in the grid. If the snapped grid option is ticked, the crosshair will snap to the grid points even if the grid is not displayed. If the display grid option is ticked, the grid points and reference grid will be displayed as defined above. Anything drawn now will snap to the grid points. In fact, while grid snapping is turned on, it is impossible to draw between the grid points. If the Display Reference Grid Only option is ticked, only the small plus signs will be displayed, the grid points will not, but snapping will still occur. The Angle option allows you to rotate the grid to suit the work you are doing. The grid can also be turned on and off using a keyboard shortcut. Hold down the Alt key and press G on the keyboard. Similarly, snapping to the grid points can be turned on and off using a keyboard shortcut. Hold down the Alt key and press S on the keyboard. Snapping is turned on here. Press Alt S and snapping has been turned off. Press Alt S again and snapping is set on again. That completes this tutorial.